For this experiment, I'm gonna have my assistant, Brooks, come in and show you how it's done.
First, we need our materials. 1 bowl of water, preferably on a shallow plate. Then we'll need a glass, a candle, and you can use different sizes candles. This is what we have now. And some food coloring. We're gonna use green. And some matches. So for this experiment, we're gonna put the candle in the water. Now watch this. Watch what happens when I put the glass over the candle. You see the water level rose inside the glass?
Now I'm gonna do it one more time so you can see what happens. Make sure you don't burn yourself. And then what you're gonna do is take your champagne glass, you're gonna put it over it. And you see the water rose inside. Woohoo! So why did the water rise? And why did the water rise faster when the candle was extinguished? So when the glass was placed over the candle and the base hit the water, the heat from the flame warmed the air inside the glass. When this happened, the air molecules expanded and pushed some of the air outside of the glass. Then the flame used up the remaining oxygen in the glass and the flame went out. When the flame was extinguished, the remaining air in the glass rapidly cooled and condensed. When the air condensed, the air pressure pulled the water up to take up the excess space in the glass. That's why the water was rapidly pulled up when the flame went out. The water stopped rising when the excess space was filled and the air pressure inside the jar was equal to the air pressure outside of the jar. We're gonna see what happens when a balloon comes in contact with a heat source. So we need 2 balloons, a candle, and some matches. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna light our flames for the candle. Since you're dealing with fire, you probably should have an adult around anyway. So now we got our balloon, and let's see what happens. All right, we're gonna go down slowly. All right. Here we go. Oh! Looks like the balloon is no match for the flame. So now, let's light it again. Let me clean up our little pieces over here. And we're gonna light it one more time. We have another balloon and we're gonna see what happens with that. Here we go. We're gonna do it one more time. See what happens as it gets lower and lower. Wonder what's going on. What? It's not working. Because normally it would definitely pop. I have a little secret for you. What we've done is we've placed a little water inside. So what happened? See, when I took the first balloon and placed it over the flame of the candle, it broke down and it popped. What happens when you place water inside of a balloon and you put it near a flame? As the water starts to heat, see, because heat rises and it goes up to the top, more water on the bottom is still cool. So it continues to repel the heat away. So it keeps going up, 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 and it doesn't burst. So that is why water in a balloon will pop. Now you know how to make a fire-resistant balloon. We'll see you next time on Expulsion Science.